How's it going, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of I Have No Idea What's Going On in My Life. I'm your host, Damdaved, and today we got some work to do, baby. Roll that intro.
They call me yellow because the paint is banana, the clip is banana, I'm going bananas. Look, boy, you a bitch. Get your funds together. Look at him. Didn't fuck with us when we was down. Now we coming up together. You can stay in the back, cause all up on track, we running it up together. You said we would flop, now the gang at the top, and we don't give a fuck together.
We are picking up where we left off with part 2 of this crazy ass shit, and we're in the same parking lot. We're about to switch locations. Cops have come down on us, and we're about to see what we can get into for this video. It's already starting off insane. We on the way to the next meet right now. I'll see you guys when we get there. Second location. Shit out here, man. You know what it is. Make sure y'all go to shoptraction.com and get you some merch. There we go, man. Swing, you hit me with this motherfucker, man.
Hey, man, premature ejaculation is real.
Let's go, man. Hey, the traction shit, baby.
Big lane house shit, man. We out here the motherfucking biggest house. Nigga, stop playing.
I don't even be drinking. That shit fucked up.
You ready?
He said he's been ready.
Smoke some!
He didn't do shit! He didn't do fucking shit! Fuck you! Fuck you! He didn't do shit! Fuck you! Fuck you! He didn't do shit! 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 Fuck y'all! Fuck y'all! He didn't do shit! We got it on film! Fuck y'all! Fuck y'all! We got it on film! We got it on film! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck!
Somebody take the car. Hey, where bro go? What's going on, Dave?
They just arrested a person for no reason because they couldn't go around.
They ain't stopping shit. Hey, shooter. Hey, that's the same police from last week. They not stopping shit. Get go, nigga, get go.
That motherfucker with the
Oh my God. We gotta go. I think they're gonna block people in.
shit. They blocking over there too.
Oh shit.
Fuck, I need to get out this bitch. Fuck, they blocking that way too. Damn, niggas don't know how to drive?
And they done blocked every fucking entrance and every exit.
Yeah, Sippy.
Can you send me his number?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh man.
Oh man, this is fucking horrible. Yeah, do that, bro.
Holy shit. Hey man, we on live right now. What's up? Shit got hot. We're turning up at Bombshells, man. We got the whole crew here. Hey, but that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you like what we're doing over here and you thought this shit was crazy as fuck, then you need to go ahead and smash the shit out of the like button. And if you want to stick around the next crazy ass video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys as always in the next one. I'ma fuck with you.
I'ma fuck with you.
You think you know Damdaved, y'all don't know a damn thing, y'all don't know me. I've been in the game, bitch, I'm an OG. Some of y'all hoes forget about me, but don't worry, I'll still be around when your bitch needs some fucking company. Swerving down the block in the 426, Yo really heard it purring and she blew me a kiss. She saw my foot sticking out the window, it was these fresh white kicks. Yeah, checks on the Air Force.